पूजिता गजवदना विद्याभारती शारदे मां बुद्धिविवर्धक गुरुदेवा सृष्टिकारक ब्रह्मदेवा ब्रह्माण्डपालक वासुदेवा लयकारक तू महदेवा आदिपूजिता गजवदना विद्याभारती शारदे मां पापविनाशिनी गंगा मां पतितपावनी तुंगा मां जय जय जननी भारत 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 मां.
Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform to thoughts and thoughts result in action is a very famous quote by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. I now request Dr. Umesh M. Bhushi, Principal, Sahyadri College of Engineering and Management to welcome all our esteemed guests.
Honorable dignitaries on and off the dais, it is indeed my proud privilege to welcome you all to this valedictory function of 38th series of KSCST seminar and exhibition of student projects for the entire Karnataka. Hope the 2 days of deliberations and project exhibitions has ignited the young minds to rethink that if you think differently, society would be a better place to live in, and education has to be a window to the outside world. What we study and what we implement should go hand in hand. So, all must be keen to hear about the results. But actual result and satisfaction is when your project gets implemented for a societal cause. As usual, NIDK has been our constant motivator in all our professional growth. We have Professor Lakshman Nandagiri, Department of Applied Mechanics and Hydraulics, to deliver the valedictory address. On behalf of all the audience, welcome you, sir, and request Dr. Manjunath Bhandari to florally welcome Professor Nandagiri, sir. It is indeed my privilege to welcome the Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. L.V. Murali Krishna Reddy, President of Institution of Engineers, India, Kolkata, who readily accepted our invitation, and I am sure Sahyadri and all the other delegates will enrich themselves through your valued experience. Sir, thank you for your gracious presence. May I now request Dr. S.T. Srikanteshwar Swami, the Executive Secretary of KSCST, to formally welcome the Chief Guest. Thank you, sir. Also would like to welcome the guest of honor, Sri N. Lakshman, Director of Technical, Chamundeshwari Electrical Supply Company Limited. I request Dr. Manjappa, Director of Consultancy of Sahyadri family, to florally welcome the guest of honor. I heartily welcome our Chairman Manjunath Bhandari, Dr. Srikanteshwar Swami, the Executive Secretary, Vice Principal, Deans, HODs, Dr. Atish Gatti, the Coordinator, and my student friends from Sahyadri who toiled hard to make it happen. I also welcome the press and media who have always encouraged us through their kind words of appreciation. I request your valued feedback from students, staff, judges, KSCST officials to foster our professional growth through your valued feedback. Welcome to one and all. Thank you.
Karnataka State Council, Science and Technology, today has successfully completed 38 series of student project programs. It has given students an opportunity to look in an absolute different direction and approach towards science and technology. Having said that, I consider it an honor to welcome Dr. S.J. Srikanteshwara Swami, Executive Secretary, Karnataka State Council for Engineering and Technology, Bangalore, to address the gathering.
Actually, Professor Lakshman Nandagiri, he is the professor from the Department of Applied Mechanics and Hydraulics, NITK, Suratkal, and we have chief guest, Dr. L.V. Murali Krishna Reddy, is a President, Indian Institute of Engineer, the main branch, Kolkata, And we have a guest of honor, Shri N. Lakshman, is the Director, Technical, Chamundeshwari Electrical Supply Company Limited. And we have Dr. Woody Krishna, is a chartered engineer and former member, State Disaster Management Authority, and presently is the Honorary Secretary, the Institution of Engineers, Karnataka State Center. And also is a Honorary General Secretary, Sahyadri Educational Institutions in Bengaluru. And we have Professor Bushi, and also we have the founder chairman of Bandari Foundation, Shri Manjunath Bandari, and Professor Bushi, and also Dr. Gatti, and the faculty members from various engineering colleges across Karnataka, my dear young friends, and also the experts from the Indian Institute of Science, NAL, and also my senior colleagues. So it is indeed, I am very happy that the 38th series of this seminar and exhibition of the student project program, it has very successfully inaugurated by Professor Jayant Modak, is a Deputy Director, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, and the yesterday's inaugural function, the Dr. H. Maheshappa was the chief guest. He is the Vice Chancellor, Vishweshwarya Technological University, and also Shri A.K. Monnappa is a Managing Director. He was also guest of honor, and Shri Manjunath Bandari was also as witness, and Professor M.S. Mohan Kumar, he has chaired the inaugural function. And after that, the exhibition and also the seminar from the students, so it has gone very well. And this morning, the students, they are witnessed most of the projects exhibited in the various locations in these great institutions. For the, we have very eminent personalities. Just I will take few minutes. So just, I want to give background of this student project program of Karnataka State Council for Science and Technology. So this is the 38 years of, since we are running this program, and we have supported more than 7,500 projects in last 38 years, and more than 1,000 projects we have scanned and digitized, and we have uploaded in our website. And this year we have received, more than 1,600 project proposals from more than 130 engineering colleges across the Karnataka. And after a very effective review from the Indian Institute of Science faculty and also NAL, we have selected around 459 projects for the funding and also technical support. After the review of in the nodal centers, again by the experts, so they have identified 218 projects for the seminar and exhibition from the 94 engineering colleges. And we are very thankful to the Karnataka State Biofuel Development Board, Government of Karnataka, and the Department of Panchayat Raj. They are supporting the biotechnology related projects. So this year we have received more than 116 project proposals, and the experts, they have identified 59 projects for the funding. Out of that, we have identified about 35 projects for the seminar and exhibition. Actually, it was very nice gathering last 2 days. And this morning, Dr. A. Narendranath Udupa is a scientist, Philips Research Center. He has spoken on the control strategies for the renewable energy and also innovation, and also the academia and institutions. It was a fantastic lecture, sir. More than 200 students, so they were witnessed, and most of the students, they were very happy, and they asked a lot of questions, and the interaction was very nice, sir. So now we are in the valedictory function. So actually, once again, I congratulate all the students, so those who are coming from various parts of Karnataka, and also guides, and also principals, directors, and others. And I sincerely thank and also congratulate the Bandari Foundation Chairman, Shri Mohan Bandari, for providing all, necessary infrastructure facility and also the guiding force to organize this 2-day event very successfully. Actually, it was a very successful program, 38-year series. I am congratulating once again the chairman as well as Professor Bushi, the principal, and also the academic dean, Professor Uma Shankar, and planning dean, Professor Balakrishna, director of research, Professor Ranganathaya, dean of research, Dr. Manjappa. Actually, special thanks to Manjappa because every day, used to contact us, he used to guide us to organizing this program. So I am very thankful to the Vice Principal, Dr. Anthony AJ, and Director, Professor Prabhakar, and also senior faculty members of this great institution, and also the heads of the various departments and student volunteers. So they have done very fantastic job in the last 3-4 days, and students of Sahyadri family, and they have visited all the seminars and other this thing. And the non-teaching staff also, they have cooperated very well, and there was nothing short. And actually, my special thanks to Ritesh Chandragatti, SPP coordinator, and also Dr. Gautam Jipu, SPP co-coordinator, and also the chairmen of the committee, food, transport, lodging, reception, and special thanks to media persons because, we have conducted a press meet on 18th in Mangalore. So they have wide coverage they have done, and they have encouraged the young budding engineers, and most of the newspapers in the Mangalore region and as well as Bengaluru region, they covered the issues about the student project program. So we are very thankful to the media and also TV. And once again, I thank the experts since 2 days. So they were busy with the going to the exhibits, and also they were chairmen in the presentations, and also my colleagues, from the KSCST senior scientists. So they are helped a lot to success of this program. I thank once again the Shri Mohan Bandari, and also principal and all the staff members from the Sahyadri family for conducting very successful 38th series of student project program in this great institution. Is a very successful one because most of the year, actually every year we are visiting one of the engineering college. So this year it is a special occasion in the Mangalore region, and also the very good ambience and also very good environment. Next to the bank of Netravati, we have very successfully celebrated 38th series of our seminar and exhibition. Once again, I thank all the Sahyadri family and also students from across Karnataka and faculty members and senior directors from various engineering colleges, Professor Rushpendrappa and others. Yesterday, Dr. K.V. Rao and Professor Shankar from Mangalore University. So they were all witnessed our inaugural function. So this is one of the great success program in Mangalore region, sir. So I thank once again this Sahyadri family and also to everybody. Thank you very much.